Namaste children. Let us solve exemplar problems from exercise 7.3, that is integrals. Okay, first one, verify the following. Integration of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 dx is equals to x minus log mod 2x plus 3 whole square plus c. Now let us take left hand side, which is integration of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 dx. Now let us observe this fraction rational function. The degree of numerator and denominator is same, so we have to, before proceeding with the problems, first we have to make it as an rational function as a proper fraction. So what we can do, let us do simplification by adding and subtracting 3. Actually we are dividing the rational function. Instead of that, doing the long division method, we can do this method also. So let us add and subtract plus 3. So what happens? 2x plus 3 minus 3 will become 2x plus 3 here. Minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. Or you can think like we are writing minus 1 as plus 3 minus 4 divided by 2x plus 3 dx. Now let us split the integral. So when we split the integral, what happens? This 2x plus 3 divided by 2x plus 3 dx will give us only dx. So integration of dx, and second part is negative of integration of 4 dx divided by 2x plus 3. Fine. So the integration of first part dx is only x, and next one is minus 4 is outside. We can take constant outside. Integration of dx by 2x plus 3. Integration of dx by x is log mod x. Here this will be log mod 2x plus 3. Log mod 2x plus 3. Then we have to divide the coefficient of x. This is a linear function, right? So coefficient of x is nothing but 2 divided by 2 and plus c. So this log mod 2x plus 3 divided by 2, this 2, 1 by this 4 and 2 we can cancel for 2 times, and m log x is log x power m. So using that logarithm formula, we can write this one as x minus log mod 2x plus 3 whole square plus c. So which is the right hand side, right? Is it correct? Yeah, we proved the required, that is we verified the given expression. Second problem, in verify the following only. Integration of 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x dx is equals to log mod x square plus 3x plus c. Okay, so we can observe that the degree of the numerator is 1 less than degree of the denominator. So we will try whether this is giving the form of integration of, that is we know the formula very well, integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is nothing but, shall we check that formula? What is the formula? Integration of f dash of x formula, that is, which is nothing but, let me write the formula here, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx. That is, if the numerator is differentiation of denominator, then the answer is nothing but log mod x, right? Yeah, fine. So let us check whether we'll be able to bring this given function in that form. Okay, let me substitute x square plus 3x as some u. So x square plus 3x as u, then 2x plus 3 dx, 2x plus 3 of dx is equals to du. Is it the numerator? Yeah, fine. So the given function we can write it as integration of du divided by u, which is nothing but log mod u plus c. So what is our u? Log mod u is x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x plus c, which is our right hand side. Is it very simple one? Yeah, very simple problem. Now what's next one? Evaluate the following. So third problem, we should evaluate this given integral. Integration of x square plus 2 divided by x plus 1 dx. So, okay, first let us split the integral and see. So we split this one as x square divided by x plus 1 dx plus integration of 2 dx divided by x plus 1. So the second part is very simple, just we have to do log mod x, it is in the form of integration of dx by x plus 1. that is integration of dx by x log mod x. Now let us observe the first part. This is denominator is x plus 1. How can we try to bring the numerator to x plus 1 so that we can cancel this denominator? So shall we add and subtract 1 to the numerator and we see what happens. So x square minus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 dx. Now what happened here? Now second function is as it is. Integration of 2, if you want you can take outside, 2 times of dx divided by x plus 1. Now this x square minus 1 is in the form of a square minus b square formula. So we can use that formula and we write x plus 1 of x minus 1, right? So the numerator is a plus b of a minus b, which is x plus 1 of x minus 1. And let me split this plus 1 by x plus 1 dx a separate function. So this plus 1 by x plus 1 dx, here plus 2 by x plus 1 dx together. Okay, let me complete this first function. Divided by x plus 1 of dx. And this second part I am combining with this one. 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 2 by x plus 1 dx. Together it will become 3 times of dx divided by x plus 1. Fine. Now coming to the first function, this x plus 1 now gets cancelled. You are left over with only integration of x minus 1 dx. Integration of x dx is nothing but x square by 2. And integration of minus 1 dx is minus x. Now the last part is 3 times of log mod x plus 1. Even though it is a linear function, the coefficient of x is 1. So you are dividing just by 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Fine children. Hope you understood. Now let us see how can we do fourth problem. Problem looks so big. E power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x divided by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x dx. Even though the problem looks so big, the simplification is very simple because you know the formula. Let us recollect first logarithm formula before integration. Okay, so we know first of all, let me take only this first part. So it is e to the power of 6 log x, the first term. Okay, now the power 1, first of all, you know very well what is m log a. So m log a can be written as log a to the power of m. So with that, the first step I can write it as e to the power of log x to the power 6. Now this one is base e. Now again another formula, a power log x base a is nothing but x. Am I right? So you know even this formula in logarithms. So using these two formulae in logarithm, the first part, the first value is e power 6 log x is nothing but e power log x to the power of 6 base e, which is nothing but simply x power 6, right? So in the same way now we can write other values also. So the given function will change as e power 6 log x is nothing but x to the power of 6 minus e power 5 log x is x to the power of 5 divided by e power 4 log x is x power 4 minus x power 3 dx, right? Now even now the problem is very simple. We have to take common outside x power 6 minus x power 5. I can take x power 5 outside. So the numerator will become x minus 1. In denominator we can take x power 3 outside. The denominator is x minus 1 after taking x power 3 outside. So now x minus 1 gets cancelled. We need just integration of x power 5 by x cube, which is nothing but x power 2 dx. So x power 2 dx is nothing but a simple integration formula, x power 3 divided by 3 plus c. So even though the problem looks so big, the solution is so simple. Now problem number 5. It's given integration of 1 plus cos x divided by x plus sin x dx. Before I proceed, I can hear that everybody is answering the question because you can see easily the numerator is differentiation of the denominator, right? Okay, let me check once. So let me consider x plus sin x is equals to u. So differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of sin x is cos x, whole thing dx is equals to du. So the given function can be written as integration of du divided by u, which is nothing but log mod u plus c. Our u is nothing but x plus sin x. So the final answer log mod x plus sin x plus c, right? Yeah, fine, that's the correct answer.